5 years ago, I started my own company to help cities and regions to close their plastic waste loop. 5 years ago, I started my presentations with the phrase, "Every year we produce over 300 million tons of plastic waste worldwide." And today, 5 years later, I can start my presentations with the phrase, "Every year we produce over 400 million tons of plastic waste worldwide." So despite many companies, organizations and governments have stepped up their efforts to reduce the plastic waste problems over the past 5 years, the problems only have grown bigger and will continue to grow much bigger because the petrochemical industry is heavily investing in more and bigger plants to make virgin plastic resin. Shell alone is investing over $3 billion in a new plastic producing plant in the US. The industry is investing a staggering $200 billion in new facilities to make more fossil plastic over the next 5 years. We are in the midst of a true plastic crisis, and we cannot just recycle our way out of this. We have to close the tap and reduce the use and production of new virgin plastic. We have to stop using single-use plastics. We have to stop the billions of subsidy for the fossil fuel industry, and we have to let the polluters pay for collection, sorting and true recycling of plastic waste if we want to become truly circular and zero waste. At the same time, we cannot ignore the enormous pile of plastic waste we produce every year, of which we only reuse or recycle around 14%. More than 85% of the plastic waste is still burned, landfilled or ends up in the environment. And most of this 85% is low-value mixed plastic waste, difficult or expensive to sort or to recycle. In an Australian-Dutch collaboration, we have developed a solution for this huge problem stream of difficult to recycle mixed plastic waste. Our green machine eats unsorted, unwashed and unshredded mixed plastic waste and turns out thick-walled recyclable construction materials. Just for your imagination, this machine takes carpet tiles, fishing nets, sanitary pads and diapers, light medical waste as well as all sorts of synthetic textile waste and even cigarette butts. It turns these mixed fractions into a homogeneous, consistent substance of which we can make high-quality construction materials such as planks, poles, bricks and plates. In the upcircular plastic factory concept, these products will be made for the local market and marketed in circular business models. At the end of life or end of use, they can be returned to us for reuse or recycling again. Key success factors of our concept are: 1. A breakthrough, unique, cost and energy efficient technology. 2. A commercially viable circular business model. And 3. Strong regional embedding and committed regional stakeholders and partners. Our solution is not only needed in Southeast Asia or Africa, where the plastic waste crisis is so painfully visible. Also in Europe and the Netherlands, we need this technology to reach our circular and zero waste ambitions. At least 40% of the post-consumer packaging waste in the Netherlands is mixed plastic waste, which is mostly burned, causing CO2 and toxic emissions. Only this stream is almost 75,000 tons per year for the Netherlands alone. We are setting up our test and demo plant in the Eemshaven in Groningen as we speak. This demo plant will be operational from the beginning of 2022. If the demo is satisfactory, we will fast scale up to 2 full-scale facilities in the Netherlands with a capacity of 14,000 tonnes per year each. At the same time, we are setting up the first real plant in Surabaya, Indonesia, with an initial capacity of 14,000 tonnes per year too. We do this with local partners and stakeholders to create a sustainable impact. And we will replicate this throughout the region as fast as we can, because we don't want the world to suffocate in all this plastic waste. I want you to know that there is a real urgency to take action. I need to spread the word and need support to make the impact I aim for. A world in which waste does not exist anymore. A world away from the current linear take, make, dispose economy we created. I can't do this alone. We have to do this together on many, if not all places around the world. Together we can make our world clean, green and circular again. Thank you.